Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel, Studlins, which adds excellence to your learning. Build your brainstorming ideas into reality using creativity and technology. Because being developers make you cool not just having that tag, but also with the work for being the highest paid job. Though this is one of the most passionate jobs, it needs a lot of patience and to learn everyday spirit within that particular gig. Now, is that enough to be a developer? I mean, your idea. And now what's next? However, before we embark on this journey, let me ask, why do you actually want to be a developer? Figure the answer out, and if in case you feel like sharing the same, do comment down in the comment section below, where you're always free to express your thoughts. Let's see to the roadmap to be a good job secured full stack developer. Firstly, choose a technology to work with: front-end development, back-end development, database, and finally, build projects. Now, what are all these? Huge terms, aren't there? The full stack web development is further divided into front-end, back-end, and database. Now to the main step to choose what technology to work with. A technology suitably for a given application, requirement, individual, depends on the technology you want to use. To speak about front-end. Next to this, after choosing the technology, we have front-end, also known for the user interface, where the whole appearance of the websites, be it a dynamic or a static, is appeared. To clear this road of front-end, either HTML, along with CSS and JavaScripts, are to be learned and applied practically. Followed with backend. Data is sent from client to the server via server code, which receives it. Now the whole logic behind this is said to be the back end. To be an expert in the field of backend, the developer needs to excel either in the programming languages, be it Stack, Python, JavaScript, PHP, and more. Now this is all done. In backend, where does the data get stored? Of course, the database. Along with this, learning for databases plays a very key role. These help in storing the information entered by the client and also to provide any info needed from the database, which again consists of MongoDB, Oracle, SQL Server, and much more, where these three stand on the top. Now, you've learned all of these. Projects are to be implemented, aren't there? To speak about the projects, once you start learning these, that is the skills, be it either front-end, back-end, it is a must for you to implement all of them in a project for you to enhance the skills. The process of web development involves learning about technical concepts such as how APIs connect the front-end and back-end, how databases manage data, and other steps. To become a successful web developer, cultivate a habit of building the projects. Now that we have seen through the complete roadmap of full stack development consists of, I hope that you've got some basic idea of what to work on to be a full stack developer, or either of the roles, be it a front-end developer, back-end developer, as mentioned in the video. Tell us what do you want to do in a web development field in the comments below. Or, if you are a beginner, tell us about your journey to becoming one. For more tips and tricks to become a developer pro, stay tuned. Happy learning! Well, I guess these skills are surely going to help you gain confidence. And let us know the same in our comment section below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to your favorite channel, Studlins, for more of this type of useful and interesting videos.